My name is a Christian Prince. I am a book author. My first book is called The Deception of Allah. My second book is called Quran and Science in Depth. I debated thousands and thousands of Muslims, scholars, sheikhs, real sheikhs, not like you. And you are making excuses. I'm using Pal Talk, not TV, to see my face. So we are waiting for you in the chat room right now. If you are really brave, remember I cannot hear you by the way. If you are really brave, all what we are asking you to do, bring your knowledge. I don't want your face. I don't care for your face. This is your face. You can use it for a beauty queen, for gays and lesbian. I am not interested in your face. I am interested in your knowledge and in your answers. And the case the same for me. All what you want is my answers. You want to see how experienced I am? Ask everybody. Type my name in Google, you will see. I am the nightmare of Islam. And you are shaking because you notice that you are no match. I did not accuse you of anything, I'm stating facts. You make a challenge for the Christians to answer you, and you did not respond even to my video, because you know you cannot. You know that I gave a stronger proofs and you are no match. However, we have hundreds of people here waiting for you. Christians and Muslims, and people will be so disappointed if you don't show up. The face excuse is just an excuse. People here are laughing because you do not need to debate me with my face. You need to debate with my answers. If you are really powerful, you will win. Correct, guys? People who they are listening. If he is really a true scholar, he will win. With my face, without my face, who care? You will make victory for Allah. Are you saying that your Allah will not support you unless I come to you with my face? Are you saying you are guaranteeing losership in this battle because my face is not showing? Nonsense, everybody is laughing. So listen, I will give you the microphone back. I cannot hear you right now because we are using the chat room to speak to you. I challenge you, we are waiting right now, and I gave you time in advance to prepare yourself. However, you can bring with you as many as you want. Ask, call all the Muslims you have in your town, even in Saudi Arabia. I am the Christian Prince. I am the nightmare of Islam, and none of you can debate me. And this is why you are trying to find an excuse so you can run away. However, you are more than welcome to prove that you are really a scholar. You are more than welcome to prove that you know more than me. You are more than welcome to prove me wrong, and you are more than welcome to prove Islam to be right. However, I'm going to do the same. I am going to prove that you are no scholar, and you have no knowledge in Islam, and you do not know even how to read Arabic, even though you act as if you are reading Arabic in the video. So bring with you whatever you want, whoever you want, and I promise you, we will treat you with respect in the chat room. Nobody will call you a name. We will call you Sheikh with all the respect. So be the man, we are waiting. The mic is yours.